Hello everyone, welcome to Something of Everything. In this video I will show you how to download and install design result extractors. The design result extractors are tools that will help you tabulate the design results of columns and beams from STAADPro. First of all, you have to open tinytopic.in. In the tinytopic.in you have to click on digital products. There you will find BDR and CDR. You have to click on any one of them. Click on free to download it. If you do not have any account in tinytopic.in, you have to create one. Let's say the name is Vijay, ID is ThinkRider 2007 and password is something that you put on it, right? Click on next to create the account. Once the account is created, click on free and it will ask you to redirect the same. It will ask you to send the code for verification of your email address. Just click on send the code and open your Gmail account to check for the code. Once the code has been received, just type in that code here so that your email address can be verified. Just go back to the courses, go to the store again, click on digital products, click on CDR again, and you can see that the download link has been generated. Click on download and save the file, that is CDR file, to the folder that you want. Now go back to the digital products, click on BDR and click on free and you will be redirected to the download page. Click view, click download and save the file to the same folder saying BDR. Okay, the files has been saved. Once the files are downloaded, extract both the folders, zip folders, and press yes to all. The 5 files will be extracted. Just copy those files, open Excel, open the new book, press on files, press options, press add-ins and click on go. Click on browse and paste those Excel add-in files here in the add-in folder. Press OK. Select one by one, press OK, click browse, press OK, click on browse, select the next file, press OK. This way you have to add 5 files to the add-in menu. Press OK. As you can see, the 5 files that we have just pasted in the add-in folder has been inputted in the Excel files. Now go to files, go to options, go to customize ribbons. In the customize ribbons, in Acrobat, click new tab. In the last ribbon menu, just ribbon tab, click on new tab, name it to Tiny Tools, press OK, name the group as extractors and press OK. Now in that extractors group you have to add the macros that you have just added. Just rename those macros to BDR with a different symbol and CDR with different symbol. Press OK. As you can see, the Tiny Tools tab and the extractor group has been added. Now close the Excel file. Open the Excel file again. Now go to the folder where your STAAD output file is available. Drag that file to Excel and open it. Now go to Tiny Tools and click on CDR to see whether the program runs or not. As you can see, it says license not found. Please activate your license. Press OK and fill up this form. Write down your name, your phone number and your email address. You will get the program for 7 days. As we are using CDR plus BDR, we will select that option and we will press submit. The license will be activated for 7 days. After that you will have to purchase the same through us. Press OK and press the CDR button again to see whether the program runs or not. Once the program will run, the program will run in the background and you will have to wait for the result to be tabulated. It might happen that it shows that Excel does not respond, but it will respond in some few minutes. And as you can see, the results has been extrapolated in the tabulate format. It will give you the column numbers, its length, its size, column concrete grade, reinforcement requirement, stirrups requirement, as well as the percentage of reinforcement. You can save this file at the appropriate location and you can check the beam design result as well. Just open a new Excel file. Make sure the only Excel file open is book 1. Select the output file and drag it to the Excel. Go to Tiny Tools and press BDR, that is beam design result extractor. It might happen that the file is lengthy and the Excel will not show you that it is not responding, but in the background it is working for the file to extrapolate the tabulated result, and the results will be seen in the meantime. Wait for the result to be extrapolated. Once the results will be extrapolated, you can find the beam number, its length, its size, as well as the reinforcement and stirrups for the same. This way you can find the tabulated formatted column and beam design results of STAAD members. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe the same. Thank you.